True financial resilience isn't born in the fragile comfort of a booming economy. It's forged in the unyielding principles of ancient discipline. The world around us, the modern consumer landscape, is a carefully designed machine. It's built to exploit our emotional vulnerabilities, constantly whispering that our self-worth is tied to the luxury items we can display to strangers. This relentless pursuit of validation sends millions down an endless road of lifestyle inflation. Every pay raise, every bonus is instantly consumed by superficial upgrades, a bigger car, a more expensive watch, a larger house. But the true masters of wealth understand a secret. Financial freedom isn't measured by the size of your income. It's measured by the absolute percentage of autonomy you have over your own life. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, one of history's great Stoic thinkers, constantly reminded himself to look beneath the gold-plated surfaces of luxury, to strip away the deceptive illusions of status symbols and see them for their raw, basic utility. When you apply this profound Stoic lens to your own economic decisions, something powerful happens. The impulse to spend money on fleeting, short-term trends completely vanishes. You begin to see capital differently, not as a tool to buy more things, but as the critical fuel needed to buy back your own physical time and your creative freedom. Every single dollar wasted on a luxury status symbol is a direct trade against your future self-reliance. It binds you tighter to an exhausting corporate treadmill you dream of escaping. The foundation of a real wealth mindset is an internal psychological fortress, a mindset that remains entirely indifferent to the opinions of the crowd. While the average person uses high-interest debt to fund a fragile illusion of prosperity, the disciplined individual is quietly building something else, a production factory of assets, investing capital into cash-flowing infrastructure that compounds silently in the background. They treat every financial setback not as a catastrophic personal failure, but as a neutral data point, a crucial piece of feedback that sharpens their strategic edge. This mental shift changes your relationship with money entirely. You no longer chase wealth out of fear or greed, but out of a deep reverence for long-term personal stability and mental clarity. The crowd will always be trapped in a cycle of panic and consumption. They buy assets at the absolute peak of market hysteria and sell everything in terror during temporary corrections. But a disciplined investor, operating with a Stoic blueprint, sees these market downturns for what they are: rare, heavily discounted windows to accumulate valuable long-term assets. You must treat your personal bank account like a highly guarded sovereign fortress. Every dollar that flows out must be strictly justified by an equivalent return in personal freedom or structural leverage. If you continuously trade your hard-earned capital for depreciating consumer liabilities, you are effectively signing your own economic dependency warrant. True wealth is the quiet confidence of knowing that if your entire economic world collapsed tomorrow, your internal character, your resourcefulness, and your core discipline would remain completely unshaken. Financial maturity is reached when the silent, steady growth of your investments brings you vastly more satisfaction than the loudest displays of material extravagance. So turn off the noise of the marketplace, automate your wealth accumulation, and begin building an empire of self-sustaining capital that guarantees your absolute freedom in an increasingly unpredictable world.